Have you ever been scammed through Zelle? It's a scary experience that can leave you feeling violated and financially drained. But don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to report a fake Zelle account and protect yourself from future scams. Building context, Zelle is a popular peer-to-peer payment app that allows users to send money quickly and easily. While it's a convenient tool, it's also susceptible to scams. Fake Zelle accounts can be created by scammers who pose as legitimate users to trick people into sending them money. Identifying a fake Zelle account. Before we dive into reporting, let's discuss some red flags that might indicate a fake Zelle account. Unusual requests. Be wary of requests for large sums of money, especially from people you don't know well. Urgent messages. Scammers often create a sense of urgency to pressure victims into acting quickly. Grammar and spelling errors. Fake accounts may contain grammatical or spelling mistakes. Suspicious payment details. If the account's payment information seems unusual or doesn't match the sender's identity, it could be a scam. Reporting a fake Zelle account. If you believe you've been scammed or have encountered a fake Zelle account, here's what you should do. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information, such as screenshots of messages, transaction details, and the scammer's contact information. Contact Zelle directly. Zelle has a dedicated fraud reporting team that can investigate your claim. You can report the fake account through their website or app. Report to law enforcement. If you've lost a significant amount of money, consider reporting the scam to your local law enforcement agency. They may be able to investigate the matter further. Update your security settings. To protect yourself from future scams, review and update your Zelle account security settings. Enable two-factor authentication and avoid sharing personal information with strangers. Additional tips. Be cautious of unsolicited messages. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Verify the sender's identity. Before sending money, confirm the recipient's identity through a separate communication channel. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest scams and best practices for online safety. Being scammed can be a distressing experience, but by taking proactive steps and reporting fake Zelle accounts, you can help protect yourself and others from falling victim to these scams. Remember, prevention is key. Stay vigilant, be cautious, and don't hesitate to report suspicious activity. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.